Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you an amazing project, br6789.com. So this is the registration page. First of all, you have to register this application by putting the credentials. As you know, you have to enter the email address and then you have to enter the verification code. As you can see the right of the screen, 5415, and then you have to enter the password two times for the confirmation, and after that you have to enter the transaction password to make the transactions. After putting all the details, you have to click on registered. Now I already have an account, so I will click on logged in. I have click on login. As you can see, I already created an account before, so I will put my email and password to login. So as you can see, I just logged into my application. My email address, at the top of the screen you will see my email address and my invitation code. My invitation code is 0299893, and let me load the application. So I just recharge 16 USDT in this application. Let me show you how to recharge. Click on recharge button. After clicking recharge button, just copy this address and make sure you have to send USDT TRC20. Other asset will not be credited in this application. So remember, you have to send USDT, also TRC20 network. So I already sent 16 USDT in this application. As you can see, I have 16 USDT. Let's go to home screen. As you can see the BR Mall, you will see the slider at the top of the screen and the company global top marketing agency. If you click on company profile, you will see all the details about company profile. So it's not loading. So I already show you how to recharge. Let me show you the withdraw. So please add your withdraw method. So you have to enter the withdraw method first. I will explain later. Let's go back, and this is the salary description. So 7 membership task reward, 3 levels of rebates, and 7% task reward for the first level member, 5% task for reward for the second level member, and 3% for the third level member. And VIP zero amount $10, 7.5% commission on 0.75 USDT commission. And if you VIP one $50, 8% rebate, $40 daily income. VIP two $200, 90% rebate and 18 USDT daily income. In VIP three 9.5%, VIP four 10%, VIP five 11%, VIP 6 is 15%, and the amount of VIP 6 is 10,000 USDT, 15% rebate, 1500 USDT daily income, 7 days to start making money. If you want to know something from the Telegram, you can also connect Telegram Sky 99887. So let's go back and let me show you. If you click on this download application, the application will be downloaded to this application. So there are business halls, 4, 8, 9 levels. You can unlock any by depositing the button. I will unlock VIP 1 level. Click on this and it says entry conditions are not met. So let me check. So as you can see at the bottom of the screen, the commission notification, all the commission notification goes there. Until that I unlock this application, let me show you other options. So if you click on task, all the doing task and completed task goes here. So as you can see, there are not yet I have completed task. I will show the task completed here. If you click on VIP, so after clicking VIP, I am VIP 1. So in VIP 1 you must have 21 daily task is $10. If I click on join now, so it says to spend the 21 USDT. I am VIP 0 level, and there are multiple accounts. As you can see, VIP 1, VIP 2 will goes by 61, VIP 3 161, VIP 4 516, VIP 5 1516, VIP 6 3016, VIP 7, VIP 8, and VIP 9. If you goes to team, you will see my referral code. This is my invitation code. If I send my invitation code to one of my friend and my friend join using this link, I will get the reward. And there are 3 teams: team A, team B, and team C. And if you click on go mine, you will see my balance and my total earning, yesterday earning and monthly earning. And this is my personal information. I can change the personal information, fund password, and this is the BR Mall all investment product. So this is the withdraw method. If you click on withdraw method, it says add withdraw method. So it says the real name, so I am adding the real name. After that I will go to enter my email address. After entering my email address, it says me for the phone number, so I will add my phone number here. And after that it says me for the address. And now I will add my USDT TRC20 network here. So I will go and add my TRC network here. So let me show you. I will click on my trust wallet and open it. After opening it, I will click on receive and TRC20 network, copy this address and go back to the application and add the address here. I will paste the address here. After pasting the address, this is the transaction password I set when I sign up. Click on submit. So as you can see, this is successfully changed. Now withdraw address is binded. I will withdraw later, and all withdrawals goes here. And if you click on this revenue, you will see, and this is the recharge and withdraw record. So let's go. It says me to log in. So the sign up to get $16 minimum deposit 5 USDT, minimum withdraw is 1.26 USDT, same day deposit, same day withdraw, zero handling fee, 2 withdraw per day, deposit tasks rebates all the mentioned here. Click on close. So as you can see, I just recharge more USDT, 5 USDT to this application. So as you can see, so now I will go to home screen and I will unlock the Mission Hall Flipkart. As you can see, the Flipkart is unlocked. Now as you can see, this is the task list. I have to complete this task. So this product price, the first product price is 21 USDT and the pay commission is 0.1260. So I will click on this and click on submit. As you can see, the payment successful, and again I will do this on repeat, and this is how simple I get the reward. As you can see, there are simple steps to follow. So click on the product. After clicking the product, click on submit button and payment successful. Click on product, click on submit, payment successful. Three steps you have to complete. So as you can see, click on this button and after click on submit. Click on the first and click on submit. Click this one and click submit. So as you can see, this is the payment successful, how it works. And I have completed the task. If you click on task, you can go to the completed. As you can see, all task is completed, and this is the VIP 1 level. My current status is VIP 1. Daily task is 10 and daily profit is 1.26 USDT and the per order 0.1260 and the monthly income will be 37.80 USDT. So if you click on team, you will see there are three levels: team A, team B, team C, and my referral code is 0299893. My invitation code is this, and if you click on go, you will see my total today earning 6.26 and the total revenue is 6.26 and completed orders are 10. If I click on withdraw, you can see the amount to account is 1.26, and if I click on this option and I will select one and I will select the payment password. After selecting payment password, I will click on submit. As you can see, I have completed the withdraw. So let's check. Let's reload this application, and now let's check the withdraw record. It says me to login. Now I will click on login again, and so if you click withdraw, so the withdraw record is, as you can see, the withdraw record is under review and this withdraw will complete it very soon. So this is the BR Mall. So thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.